What's up, everyone? We're down here at the Beer BBQ Festival. We've got the RGs and low and slow basics amateur comp going on. Just about ready for the steak hand in. The judges' mouths are watering, so let's get into it. Alright, we're down here, we've got Grant Neal, aka Hollywood, from the Smoking Joint, world champion barbecue. How do you think the cooks are going?
Look, I'm absolutely surprised, as always, by the level that the amateur competition barbecue brings. Just seen the steak come out now. It's unbelievable. It's got all the right rubs, they've got all the right cooks, they've got the right equipment. If you get a chance to compete in one of these, you have to.
Absolutely.